Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to share a product link on Amazon. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're wondering how to share an item on Amazon, there are a couple of simple ways to do it. First, go to the item page of the product you want to share. For example, if you're looking at a shirt, just click on the thumbnail to open the full item listing. On this page, you'll notice a small share icon, usually located near the product image or title. Clicking this share icon brings up a few options. You can choose to share the item directly via email or post it to one of several social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter. However, the most common method is to simply copy the product link. When you click Copy Link, Amazon will generate a short, clean URL that's easy to paste and send through messages, emails, or anywhere else. This feature is also available on the Amazon mobile app. Just find the same share icon while viewing the product, tap it, and you'll have access to the same sharing options, including the short link copy feature. The nice thing about Amazon's share links is that they're condensed. You won't end up with a long, messy URL. It's a convenient way to quickly send product links to friends, family, or anyone else, whether you're recommending something or asking for feedback. That's how you can easily share items or products on Amazon. So that's basically how you can share a product link on Amazon. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.